Okay. Okay. Next one, let me have Leo, your turn. Leo, your turn.
Dr. Chow.
Yeah,
Can I restart my computer? Like the
no
audio is
problem,
like
no
very
problem. Yeah,
buggy.
you drop signal several times. Work on it, okay? One more problem. Okay. Go back to Jian. This one is to check a plus 5, and the last one is a minus 1 plus minus 2 within 2. You have to show this one. It's wrong here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Take your time, okay? Just give you. That means the plus minus 2. So you have a minus 1 is actually within 2 of these, plus 2 or minus 2. So can be a minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 or minus 1 or minus 2, one of these. So it should be a plus 1, a minus 1, a minus 2, and a minus 3. These are the upper all possible value. You understand it now or no?
I understand it, but I'm thinking of like how I should do it, maybe.
Yeah, take your time, okay?
I don't know. I'm just gonna do it the classic way.
Hmm?
I'm just gonna do it the classic way.
So there is a number. So here is a number. You have a minus 1 here. You want to be within 2 of this number is plus 2 or minus 2 within this range from here to here. So if the x is inside this range, how do you say it? You say it's x and the distance to a minus 1's, this distance is less than or equal to 2. How do you say that in
Why did I
Java?
think of only doing it using yeah. What
Look at the formula I give you. It's actually a minus 1 here. You don't have it.
because I didn't write it.
Yeah, whatever. I know, but you actually
Yeah.
just add the minus 1. It's okay. Conceptually, I want you to remember this. What is the distance? Okay, this one go to Leo. Leo, your turn.
Wait, I'm done with warm up too.
Then you go to string 2, array 2, or logic 2.
Okay.
You cannot do that. It's actually say a word and the tag. So the tag may be this, maybe this. You cannot put this automatically. That's actually wrong. You cannot use the arrow for it. You have to work on the tag. No, you don't have this. You don't have this. That actually is wrong already. I told you. Because it's not always this. It can be bracket, can be curly brace. You don't know. You have to work on the tag. That's the tag that they give you. So here the tag is I. So you need to do I with a tag. You create a tag like this. Okay. Yeah, there's a arrow. So you need to create a tag for it. So maybe you need to do this. And the closing one, you need to do this. Okay. Okay, this one, Harrison, your turn. Harrison, what happened to your computer? Your computer seems to crash several times before.
Yeah.
You need a new one?
Uh, no, it like didn't have audio, so like I restarted and like the audio was like still buggy, and then like there was like an update to like the computer.
But look like your computer is not really stable, not just today. I'm talking about some other time you also drop signal pretty often, right? Am I correct?
I'm not sure.
You drop signal sometime, right?
Yeah.
If the computer is not too good, you tell your dad to get a new one, okay?
I think it might be like the Wi-Fi here though, because like I'm
Okay,
not
okay, okay.
at like my house though.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you are still in Taiwan or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Very unstable.
Hmm?
Log in again. Log in again. Don't change. Log in again. You log out for some reason.
Hmm.
Why here -2?
Uh, for like all the letters before the last two.
Did he say that?
It says like where the last two, like the swap the last two letters.
Okay, so this one, okay, and then the last two, and then what's this?
That's the last letter.
Wrong. That's not the last letter. M already out of bound. Your length is M. You are from 0 to M -1. The M is actually nothing. So here this one is -1.
Mm,
The M is not necessary. You actually don't remember anything. M is not necessary. You don't need that M. The M, the second M, I'm not talking about first M. Did it? You do not check the length. These two are shorter. So if the length less than 2, return str. Okay.
okay.
Next one, go back to Jian. Okay. Next one, go back to Leo. Leo, your turn. Okay. This one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Okay. This one, you actually want to use the integer length several times. So you actually better you just do integer n equals str the length. Okay.
Okay.
And then if n greater than 3, greater equal to 3, then you do str that start with red. And then if n greater equals to 4, try str that then str that start with blue. So that would be easier than your design, okay?
Okay.
This one go back to Jian. Jian, your turn. Okay. Next one, Leo. Leo, your turn. Okay, here it already tell you that the string length would be at least 2. So this n greater equals 2 is not necessary to check, okay? Because it already tell you the string length will be at least 2. But it's okay. Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. A cannot be greater than B. A is a
Oh,
string, B is a string. There's nothing like this. A greater than B. What's that?
my bad.
One moment, okay?
Okay.
Your A dot length, B dot length have been called too many times. That actually no good.
Okay.
The idea is you are doing B within A or A within B. Okay, so you need to know which one is shorter. So this Sn is a shorter length. As long as you know about the shorter length, your A minus the shorter length. So maybe if A is shorter, then you got the minus 0. So you actually the whole thing is starting from 0 if An equals Sn. If A is longer, then you would actually end up with the An minus Bn, then it actually is this part. Same thing for B part. So this one will work out.
Okay.
Okay, go back to Jian. Jian, your turn. One moment, okay? Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. This one, okay, but your logic is not good, okay? So first one, it actually saying that you are going to check for XYZ, but no dot before it. But your less than 3 is no needed to be checked. Why? Because you already use the windows for the window of the 3. You already use the window of the 3. I'm sorry, your computer will react very slowly. Okay, so using the Windows 3, that's fine. And internally, you do this just wasting time. You directly say if it is equal 0, I'm sorry, not equal 0. You actually do, your computer is really slow. When I hit it, it takes a long
It's
time
my
to.
internet.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's my internet. Yeah, it's really slow.
First, you need to have a pattern that's equal to XYZ, okay?
Okay.
If it is equal to XYZ, and then you will do if I equals 0, then you will return true, okay? If so over here, because I equals 0, you already return true. So here I will not be equal 0. So you will do str dot character at I minus 1. If it is not equal to that, then you will also return true. That would be easier. So instead of using checking this XYZ or dot XYZ, instead of checking that, you return true false. You don't check that, you just check if it actually is, you got an XYZ and the index is 0, there's nothing on the left, so you already return user true. Or in the middle, you have XYZ, then you check the previous data is not that, then you return true. The logic is easier by this way. And the first one, checking the length less than 3 is not necessary because your window already checked it. If you are more or equal to 3, you already go into the loop. So this window of 3 already checked if the length is greater than 3 or not. Is that okay?
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, because it's gonna be negative.
Yeah, you won't go in. You are checking the window of 3 already. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, Leo's turn. You got to remember all the rule we teach you by heart. Okay. In competition, you need that over and over again. You need to be able to respond right away. Okay. This one, Harrison, your turn.
Oh, I did this one.
Okay, next one. This one is easy.
I'm thinking of this one.
Routine check the length.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Next one, let me have 前 your turn.
Wait. Wait. Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Why are you changing for
Forgot a
the
letter here.
requirement? Okay, one moment, okay?
Okay. Oh, I didn't think of that.
Hmm?
Uh, I think it's because of when they both
No,
are
no, no, no,
series.
no, there's no x should be true,
No, like
no
when
x should be true, so here actually less than 0.
I,
Okay,
yeah. Okay. Wait, let me read the code.
you can copy it up, okay, save it,
Wait, let me. Yeah.
copy it to a file. Okay, next one, let me have Leo, you said.
Oh wait, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Does last index of return -1 if there is not an if there is no index?
Hmm?
What does it return -1?
Who?
if you can't find the index.
Who? Which one not you cannot find the index?
Oh no, like I mean last index of. So if there's no letter X, then does it return -1?
No letter X, then no letter X, we already use the IX less than 0, that would return true already.
No, like I mean, will it return -1? Last index of.
-1, you don't have anything, it will return true already.
No, like uh I mean the function itself, the method itself.
Yeah, method itself, if you actually don't have X, it will return -1, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. This check-in of the single character, you can use character equals a character, okay? Using substring is very inefficient.
Oh wait, for these I can use like double equals, or do I have to still use equals?
I talk about character. I don't talk about string. String,
Okay.
you need to use equals.
Okay. Do I do the next?
Yeah. Next one, Jian, your turn. One moment, okay? Don't move. Number one, you keep mixing the same thing. This data length is not necessary. You actually wasting your time.
Oh yeah.
Number two, this checking for the else is not necessary. You wasting your time.
But
Number
like
three, the if is not needed. You're wasting your time.
Wait,
Number
doesn't it correct?
4, your minimum length too long, you are wasting your time, just an S is enough. No need to use a long variable name. That's actually wasting your time. You just keep typing. Number 5, these two can be combined. You don't need another one. You still get the same result. You're wasting time just typing. Any question?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Okay.
So I told you that many trick just because I want you to cut the code shorter, type in less time, right? You waste a lot of code. Next one, Leo, your turn. Next one, Harrison, your turn.
I don't quite get this problem.
This problem, they want you to check for the HIP or XIP pattern, whatever pattern. So he said that second word, it give you the second word. So if it appear in at the front of the string, it said the first character may not need to be exactly. So that's as when you have A, B, C as the word, then you check if you have anything BC. If you have
Oh,
anything BC, you do something.
okay. Wait, so what do I return though?
I don't know. You read the problem. I see is the combine of the two first letter of the str and the rest of the word.
Wait,
But this is your responsibility. You need to read the problem and understand what it is. It's not my responsibility to tell you.
okay. Wait. I can't type.
Check your system, something wrong.
Try to press window dot
Wait, window.
window period.
Yeah, you activate something.
Window period bring like the emoji.
Yeah, and then close it and then try to type again.
Create like a text box thing. I'm not
That's
sure.
Zoom.
What tool are you using that activate this? You must have a tool that had a redundant program that create this.
And there we go.
Okay. Next one, Jian, your turn. Okay. Next one, Leo, your turn. One more. Okay. Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. You have a lot of bug just because when you type, you actually don't pay attention to it.
Mm.
You str the length -1 on the second one. The last one not here,
Huh? Oh,
not here. The last one, you substring 0 to -1. Go. You didn't check the length, so the second one you'll be in trouble. So right here, this one, what you need to do is like you have to check the length. Here it actually less than 2. You may delete something and you will go. Let me see why it is wrong. Substring of 1 and then str equal 0. This one should get this one less than 2. You return str. No, you should not. You should not return. You cannot automatically return. So what you need to do is
wait, can I just like add a line above like the original like str is dot length is less than 2 that just like checks for the one case specifically?
what?
Because like never mind.
This one you just need to have this line to guard against it. And because you cut one later, so it may become empty. So in case that the length becomes 0, you actually here you do it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we are over 9 o'clock. Okay, so keep working hard. Okay, if some problem we correct you, you have to redo it again and several times using different way. Okay, keep working hard.
Okay.
Coding practice need to be done every day. Okay, not just coming to here. We just give you the idea of how to do it, how to improve yourself. But you need to remember the techniques and apply to everyday's coding, making sure that your coding is improving. Okay. If you come here still forget about this, forget about that, that just means that you are not really proficient enough. Okay, then you have to improve on yourself. Okay, good night, bye bye.